Happy Monday, everyone. Trust you all are doing well. Today, I am starting a new series called Studio Sessions, where I will be talking on some of the questions that we have as an artist and the questions that I have received from my students over the last 8 years of my teaching career, while also painting in my studio. So, let's begin. Today's topic that I've chosen is it normal to think my art is bad? This is a question that I have heard from many of my students, and I personally have gone through phases questioning myself the same. Artistic self-doubt is a very familiar companion on the creative journey. Many artists, whether beginners or seasoned professionals, often find themselves questioning the quality of their own work. But is it normal to think your art is bad? In this video, we will delve into the common experiences of artists grappling with self-doubt, explore the factors that contribute to these feelings, and discuss ways to navigate them in a healthy and a constructive manner. So, what is the answer? The answer is a resounding yes. It is entirely normal for artists to experience moments of doubt and uncertainty about their artistic abilities. In fact, this feeling of artistic self-doubt is something that many creative individuals encounter at various stages of their artistic endeavors. There are several reasons why artists may feel that their art is not up to their desired standards or that it is somehow lacking. One of the most common causes is having high standards. Artists often have a clear vision of what they want their art to look like, and when their skills or the final results fall short of that vision, doubts may start to creep in. Another factor contributing to the self-perceived inadequacy is the temptation to compare oneself to other artists. Artists may find themselves captivated by the skill, technique, or style of other creators they admire on social media. This comparison can create a sense of unworthiness or an impression that their own art is somehow inferior. It is crucial, though, to remember that art is subjective. What one person might consider bad, another might find intriguing, thought-provoking, or emotionally stirring. Each individual has their own unique taste and preferences when it comes to art. Additionally, artistic self-doubt can also arise from a genuine desire to grow and improve as an artist. As skills develop, artists become more aware of areas where they want to excel. This heightened self-awareness can lead to critical self-evaluation and the belief that their art is not as good as they desire. Embracing this process is crucial for growth and development. However, it is important to recognize that self-doubt is a natural part of the artistic journey. It signifies a willingness to push boundaries, challenge oneself, and evolve as an artist. Seeking constructive feedback from peers, engaging with art communities, and embracing opportunities for growth are all integral to this process. So next time you find yourself questioning the quality of your art, remember that it is normal to have doubts. Embrace these moments as opportunities for growth, as they can push you to explore new techniques, experiment with different styles, and ultimately become a better artist. Trust in your creative voice, celebrate your unique perspective, and continue to express yourself through your art. Remember, it's the journey that matters, and every brushstroke, every line that you make on your canvas contributes to your personal artistic story. Keep creating, keep evolving, and most importantly, believe in the power of your art. Embrace the fluctuations of self-doubt as an opportunity for growth and learning. With time, perseverance, and a belief in your creative abilities, you can overcome the self-doubt and continue to create art that is meaningful and authentic to you. Artistic self-doubt does not define your artistic worth. So embrace your artistic journey, appreciate the process, and remember that every artist, no matter how accomplished, has experienced doubt along the way. You are not alone. Trust in your creative instincts, follow your passion, and let your art speak for itself. Keep creating, keep growing, and remember that your unique artistic voice has the power to inspire and touch the lives of others. Embrace the beauty of imperfection, for it is through our vulnerability and self expression that true artistic brilliance can shine. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new by listening to this video and watching this process. If you try this painting, do share it with me on social media. I would love to see what you created. Take care, and I will see you next Monday.